What's up, guys? So this is how you bring a lab from your office into your house. I've got camera and printer 1 set up here. I forgot the spool holder, so I'm kind of making do with, well, the only pull-up bar that we have in the house. Hope you're all doing well, and let me just flip this camera around here. Happy formal Friday to y'all. Let me give you a quick tour. We'll go downstairs and I'll show you the main command center that we have going on here. So first off is a lot of the components you'll need for 3D printing objects. We've got a voice kit in there, a 3D printed engine from Mazda that we're doing. We've got a lot of fun stuff ready, and a bunch of parts and pieces underneath, along with our command station of computers here. We just got Rock Band Guitar Hero delivered yesterday, so in a pretty rock and roll mood. We've got another printer and camera set up here. Then we have the gym. This is bags full of bricks and other bags full of weights and any sort of heavy objects. Plus, when we go outside to the area to do any sort of outdoor recreation. The last major part is inside the shed here, where we've got our CNC machine. So this will carve any objects that we need to make either out of wood or metal. Anyway, that's what we got going on. I hope you're all doing well and staying sane, and hopefully not driving your housemates crazy.